Welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. First of all, happy International Women's Day to all our female clients. Next, I'm going to start with a brief discussion of the Bitcoin weekly outlook. We had a very strong recovery session over the weekend with some healthy increases in the Bitcoin price. In addition to that, there is a bit of indecisiveness in the market with micro strategies, relentless accumulation of cryptocurrencies, giving some positive signs for the long-term potential of Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies, while at the same time, the long-term treasury yields seem to be weakening Bitcoin's appeal, at least in the short term. So let's take a look how you can trade this dynamic over the coming trading sessions. On the 1 hour chart of Bitcoin versus Tether, we had a bit of a divergence with increasing prices while the relative strength index was declining, probably alerting us to that drop, which now seems to have stabilized. So over 49,500, I'm seeing opportunities for long positions with target at 50,200. And if that level is surpassed, then 51,200. However, if we break below 49,200, more declines all the way down to 48,300 and 47,200, which are the next support areas, is quite possible. Next, we're moving to Ethereum versus Tether. The 1 hour chart of Ethereum versus Tether, we can see that 1690 is a bit of a pivot point, very critical level. So if we're over 1,690, I'll be looking for long positions with targeted 1,750 and 1,800 afterwards. However, under 1,690, probably the downside will prevail with reasonable targets at 1630 and 1590 on the downside. Next, I'd like to discuss Uniswap versus Tether. Uniswap broke out of a very strong ascending channel supported by increases in the MACD indicator as well as the relative strength index. So over 33, more than likely the upside will prevail with targeted 36,000. However, if we fail to maintain that level of 33, it could be declining lower to 31,000, which is the nearest swing low. Also, I'd like to share an opportunity with you in two other cryptocurrencies. First of all, in Polkadot. On the 4 hour chart of Polkadot versus Tether, 33.8 is the critical pivot point, and if we trade above that level, probably the upside will prevail with the target 35,000 at 35.28, and under 33.8, probably the downside will prevail with the target at 32.2. These critical pivot levels are where the bears and the bulls are grappling for taking control. That's why you can trade each cryptocurrency two ways, depending on what the market situation is at the time when you are watching the video. And the final opportunity for today is in Litecoin versus Tether. For Litecoin, we're just about to witness a bearish crossover of the MACD indicator. The relative strength index has declined under 50, so under 185, the downside prevail with a targeted 175. However, if we clear the 185 level, there could be an opportunity for a long position with a targeted 195.2. Finally, today there will be no videos in German or Spanish, so this is going to be the only version released due to holidays of some of our colleagues. Keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And very importantly, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Have a good week, trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.